In this video, we will go over how to add products and manage them. While being logged in as the business owner, use the left side menu and click on the icon as shown and then select Products. On the Products page, click the Add New Product on the top right corner to begin. Begin by entering a product name. This is a required field. Then enter the quantity. And after that, you can enter the reorder quantity, which will indicate when to order more. The SKU is a random generated number, and you may not change it at this time. The retail price is how much it costs for the client, and the cost is how much it costs for the business. Enter a brand, as well as the supplier. We can then press the Save button. Back on the Products page, we can edit a product by clicking the pencil button. Over here, we're going to change the retail price and press the Save. Next, click on the Inventory tab, and here we are going to change the reorder quantity. We can go back to the Products page by using the left back button. We may delete products by clicking the Trash Can button and then confirming our choice. To search, use the top left bar . We may then filter using the top right filter button. Great! Now you know how to add a product, edit existing products, and delete products altogether. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.